Schemberg Auto Sales, wholesalecarsdirect.com, with an F150 XLT 4-wheel drive crew cab, nice blue truck, going all the way around it. You can see that it's in good condition. It's got a few little blemishes and scratches and stuff. You're going to see with any kind of truck. Good tread on the tires. Alloys are in good shape. Going down the side of it, I'm trying to see if there's some minor scratches going down the side of it, but I don't see too many. There's one right there above the wheel well. It is 4-wheel drive, as you can see. You can see that it has a tow package, bed liner, and then going down this side, all-terrain BF Goodwrench tires. Going down the side of it, see that it does have a V8 5.4 Triton XLT. Wheels and tires are good. Looking in the interior here, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, automatic headlights, black and gray interior. To be honest with you, the interior's got a couple little smudges and stuff on them, and I went ahead and took the video, but it's actually going to be fixed because we're getting it cleaned on the interior right now. Detailed, there is a tear right there, a rip. CD player, AM FM stereo, air conditioning, cruise control on the steering wheel. And then I said door ajar here, but let me get you the miles. 110, 315, 110, 315 miles. Wholesalecarsdirect.com, 336-992-1186, 336-992-1186.